37 years?
37, something like that. They were actually looked just like these. The design was the same. They let air in, they let water in even, it seeped in. And it was time that we replaced them. We could fear, if we sat in these two chairs, between these two windows, you could feel the draft going across. Oh my gosh, they worked like a beaver. They had a beautiful day, they came out, there was two of them. Mm-hmm. Very, very nice. Tore the windows out, had it all protected so nothing fell out or anything, and got the windows in a day and a half, didn't they? Yeah. It did not take long. They were very nice. I cannot criticize them. It has controlled the draft. And I think like the sun shining in, like it is in our kitchen right now, you don't get that heat on your carpet.
Very good.
Mm-hmm. I like the outside. I don't have to paint the trim around. It's self-keeping. I don't have to worry about doing the trim work, and I like it. They
appear
work.
to be good windows.
Yeah.
Appear to be good windows.
I would have no trouble recommending them.